You know, a man once told me that the world belongs to the evil. The world belongs to the wicked. The world is being ruled by evil, and the Christians are being ruled over by evil, Satan and devil, like left, right, and all that. I don't know. At this point, it's just speculation right now because somebody just told me that there's a coup being planned, or military might be the one to actually to remove this thug from power. I've been told, so I've been told. I'm gonna I'm gonna play this video so that you can hear what this dude is saying. You can hear the arrogance. You can hear the pride in his voice. He calls himself a god. They say there's nothing we can do to him. This dude has killed a lot of people to be in power, so it's like blood sacrifice. It's really hard to break their curse, but what has been done has been done. So I'm gonna play this video so that you can hear for yourself. You guys, you can hear for yourself what is being said. But I feel like there's cracks in the system. There are cracks in the ZANU-PF party. There are people who are tired of what he's doing to their people. There are people who are actually who have had enough of these things. I think there's something is actually loading. Something's about to happen, guys. Things cannot remain the same forever. Things change each and every day. So let's hear what this thug is going to be saying.
I've been Minister of National Security for a very long time. So most of the systems in Zimbabwe, I created them. So they always remember who their good father is. So if you plan against me, I get to know.
Well, there you have it. This guy is probably saying that if you plan against me, I get to know. That means it's the same thing that I said in my last video. We don't have unity in Zimbabwe. Like if we plan something, somebody's always going to tip off. He's going to say something. He's going to actually disclose our information to other people just because they will rather destroy the opposition, destroy the positive to remain in power. The people, some people even pretend to be the opposition just to get to know your information so that they can go and spread it elsewhere. But I think there might be a planned coup that is happening. Somebody's actually planning something against this dude. You feel me? So we'll see what happens. We'll see what's going to happen. We'll see what exactly is going to unfold. Henceforth we'll be watching. We'll be watching closely. If anything happens, you guys make sure that you subscribe. Share this video, and you like, and so that you won't miss the next video I'm gonna be posting. Obviously, I'll be following up on everything that is happening and everything that's on the ground right now. So yeah, make sure that you subscribe and share this video with others, and make sure that you guys stay safe wherever you are. But let's just stay in hope that there'll be changes in, bro. Like we need change, right? We need change, and let's just be hopeful that change is coming. So we'll see. Time will tell. Time will tell, guys. Thank you for watching.